Hi everyone, my name is Katerina, and today we will turn this sketch into a cool vector illustration using the most simple elements and tools in Adobe Illustrator. First, let's place the sketch in our document. You can use the place function under the file menu or just copy and paste your sketch. Using the eyedropper tool, copy the colors. For convenience, you can create a separate group on the swatch panel. Bring the sketch to the front, reduce the opacity, and lock the layer. Create a new layer and start working on it. Create a circle, fill it with red. To make the shadow on the right side, copy the circle and paste it twice in the front. Move the top object over a little to the left and select the second one with the Shift key pressed. Then use the minus front tool from the Pathfinder panel. Let's create the green part of our tomato using the Start tool. The number of vertices can be changed by using the Start tool and pressing the up and down keys. To change the angles of the star, use the Start tool with the Alt key pressed. Align the star to the center of the circle using the Align panel. Fill the star with green. Add a stem in the form of the circle. Using the curvature tool, add highlights. This tool makes it easier for beginners to work, unlike the pen tool. Add the highlights to the tomato on the left, using the same tool that we used for the shadow on the right. Copy the circle and paste it in the top twice. Move the top one to the right, select both circles with the Shift key pressed, and use the minus front tool from the Pathfinder panel. Change the opacity, copy and scale down our highlights a bit to show the light scattering effect. Adding a few more shadows and highlights to our illustration. Add a shadow from the green part of our tomato. Let's make the shadow. To do this, we copy our tomato or draw a new circle and paste it in the background of our illustration, moving it a little bit to the right. Let's add one more shadow to the star using the Shape Builder tool. To do this, draw any shape on the top of the star, select both shapes with the Shift button, choose the Shape Builder tool. Delete the extra parts of this figure with the Alt key pressed. Change color and transparency if needed. Finally, let's make our illustration a background. To do this, draw an oval. Distort it a little with the curvature tool. and add a few white spots. Our illustration is ready. You can use this illustration to sell in stock, create stickers, design product packaging, and a lot more fun stuff. Subscribe to my channel, leave your wishes and suggestions in the comment, and press the thumb up if you like my first video. Thank you for watching!